In fact, this vlog, I don't even know where it's taking me to. That's mommy. Hi guys, good morning. Um, Welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing. Today is Monday morning, and it's about 9:30. I'm heading to Ikorodu. I have an appointment with somebody at Ikorodu. In fact, this vlog, I don't even know where it's taking me to because I don't understand. I was supposed to do this vlog yesterday and this morning, but NEPA has been messing up. We've not had light for like 2 days, so I'm just starting this vlog from here. I will see you guys later. Hi guys, so we are still heading to Ikorodu. We are still heading to Ikorodu, and we haven't gotten there yet. I'm so surprised because the weather was quite sunny today, and all of a sudden started. It's really been rainy. Like it's really been rainy. I hope it doesn't get worse than this. Because once it get worse than this, the traffic will be something else. And you know how Lagos Road is. To get home early because I have to pick up my kids, from school. I don't want them to get home and, although I've already set up what they're going to take for today, but I just need to get back home early for me if I want to rest and all that. So I'm back home. I'm so exhausted. Like it was a long day. I haven't even eaten. Like it was a long day. The rain was so messy. The road was bad. But we thank God. I just got in now and I'm tired, guys. I'm really tired. Let me just take my bath and ah I will see you guys later. Bye.
The next day. 8 hours later.
Hi guys. So I'm going to pick up my kids from school, and from there I'm going to the market. I want to prepare what is it called? Vegetable soup. Yes, I want to prepare vegetable soup. Like it's already past 3 o'clock. They close at 3, so I'm just getting to their school gate now, and we are heading to the market. This morning I was supposed to do a short video, but I was so tired I just went to sleep. Like I slept till 2 o'clock. So I'm just heading to the market, and I just picked them up from school. I'm heading to the market to get some. I want to get water leaf and meat. I'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm in the market. I'm trying to get crayfish, and I'll also be getting meat. Guys, meat is now gold. Like you cannot get meat cheap anymore. This meat you're seeing is 1,500. Normally you get it for 700, but I got it for 1,005. What can we do? We have to eat. Yes. So if you have watched this video to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, or you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this video. This is like my official first vlog. I have never vlogged before. This is my first vlog. So please encourage me by liking, the video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always showing me how, that I can still go on and do this. Like, I can't be here without you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you like more of this kind of content, and I'll be putting it up all the time. Just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, let's get into the markets. Video her that smile. She said I should video her that she wants to go viral. Oh yeah, smile now. See, I saw me here. She's cutting my periwinkle for me. Yeah, she's going worldwide. No, no. Mm-hmm. Mommy. Mm-hmm. Let me see. That's mommy. Where's Choma? Where's Samuel? Where's Jerry? Where's Joy?
One eternity later.
Hi guys. Good morning. Welcome back again to my channel. Yes. It's Friday, and it's Friday morning. It's about 10:30 this morning. Just here. I've been pick up my camera like 2 days now. The last time I picked up my camera was on Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday have been a very busy, the hectic day for me. So I couldn't even vlog or do anything. Yes. So yesterday I went to trade fair to pick up some makeup products for myself and for my students. Yes. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got. Yesterday was really bad. I broke my leg yesterday while going to trade fair. I was trying to cross one ditch, and my leg was stuck in there, and it was a whole mess. But I thank God that I'm not, it wasn't that bad. But I'm going to be showing you guys the product I got yesterday, and here. So guys, these are the products I got yesterday. I'm just going to be showing you, I'm going to be showing the product one after the other. I got this one. This is mixing plates for foundation or anything you want to mix. And I got this one. I also got the lashes. I wanted to get mismetic lashes. I think that's what it's called. But I ended up getting this. It said it's also nice. And just wanted to try it and see. It's mink lash too. And I also got two beauty sponge. I love the fact that it is very soft. Like, it's very soft. That's what we always need for our job. So yes, I got this two. I got this one first. When I saw this one, I couldn't resist it, so I had to get the two. I had to get both of them. Yes, and I also got this blending brush from LB. I got a professional brush set. I would have showed you guys too, but anyway, the brush was for my students, so I got that one, and I got this particular one. I just love how fluffy this brush is. It's a blending brush, and I just got one of it for my work. And I also got Kiss Beauty setting spray. Yeah, got Kiss Beauty setting spray. And I got this Rimmel. I love this product. Like I love this product. I've used this product for ages. So, but I got this one. I got it for. It's even still sealed. Yeah, it's a Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. It's a primer for those people that have oily skin. I got this also, and I got this marker, this liner for. It's a liner white, and I got pro concealer. I also got eyeshadow base, and I got Fit Me foundation for myself, and I got this. This is Davis pencil. Davis have launched or they've changed their pencils to this one, and I love how it is. I haven't tried them before, but I'm going to try it and see how it is. Alright, Davis has always been the number one. I can't say number one pencil, sha, but one of the cheapest and very handy pencil that every makeup artist uses. Yes, so this is O3. This is for darker skin tone, and this is for lighter skin tone, and this is 08. Yes, this is all I got yesterday from trade fair. The meat seller that's always bringing me meat brought meat yesterday. When I got back from trade fair, I just spotted him in my compound like, please about come, I need meat, and I got meat yesterday. I'm going to prepare stew and soup with that meat, and yeah. Baba wants to sell this meat for me
No, I'm not going to
for 6,000.
No,
See now.
I said, come on,
He said 8,000.
five.
Baba no 4,000. Sell it for me 4,000.
No good.
Buy a green, sell it for me 4,000.
No,